Picture this: a sunny afternoon, warm light on your face, then click, someone switches off the sun. Not hidden behind a cloud, gone, completely, everywhere on Earth at the exact same moment. But here's the truly weird part. For the first 8 minutes and 20 seconds, you would have absolutely no idea that anything had happened at all. Sunlight needs 8 minutes and 20 seconds to cross 93 million miles of space. You'd be tanning under a ghost. Gravity plays the same trick. It also travels at the speed of light, so Earth keeps orbiting normally, suspiciously normally. Then, darkness. And not regular nighttime darkness. This is deeper, blacker, and stranger than any night you have ever seen. The moon vanishes too. Moonlight is just reflected sunlight, so it simply blinks out mid-phase, like someone deleted it. But look up. With no sunlight scattering in the atmosphere, the Milky Way blazes across the sky like a glowing river. Worried about freezing? Relax. Earth is a giant heat battery. In 1 minute, the temperature barely drops at all. Solar panels, though, instantly dead. Millions of them drop offline at once, and power grids around the world start to wobble. Photosynthesis hits pause everywhere. But plants stay calm. They survive darkness every single night, so 1 extra minute is nothing. The animals get confused first. Birds stop singing almost instantly. Many treat sudden darkness as an emergency bedtime alarm. During eclipses, bees freeze mid-flight and crickets start their evening concert. For 1 minute, nature hits snooze. Street lights flicker on across entire continents. Car alarms, porch lights, confused roosters. Cities glow like islands in the black. And GPS? Satellites carry batteries, so navigation keeps working perfectly. Your pizza delivery still finds your front door. Phew. Pilots switch to instruments, astronomers scream with joy, and roughly 8 billion people point their phones at the sky. Then, ding, 60 seconds are up. The sun switches back on, 93 million miles away, like nothing ever happened. But remember the light delay. Earth stays dark for another 8 minutes, while the new sunlight races toward us through space. Daylight finally returns. Total damage reports, some very confused bees, 1 missed sunbathing minute, and 1 billion viral videos. But let's push it. What if the sun didn't come back? What if that minute became a week or a year? After 1 week of darkness, average temperatures worldwide fall below freezing. Summer beaches, jungles, deserts, all of them frosted over. After 1 year, Earth plunges to around minus 100 degrees Fahrenheit. That's colder than a winter on Mars. The oceans start icing over. But here's the twist. They only freeze at the top, and that changes everything. That ice works like a planetary blanket, trapping heat below. The deep ocean stays liquid for hundreds of thousands of years, and way down there, around volcanic vents, tube worms and shrimp keep living their lives, never noticing the sun left. Rude. Humans could hang on too, huddled around geothermal springs in places like Iceland, powered by the heat of Earth itself. Eventually the surface settles near minus 400 degrees Fahrenheit, warmed only by the planet's glowing core. Cozy? Not exactly. The good news? The sun isn't going anywhere. It has about 5 billion years of fuel left in the tank. So a 1-minute solar blackout is really just a free planetarium show for every single person on Earth at once. If you got 8 secret minutes of fake sunshine, how would you spend them? Tell us below, and stay on the bright side.